If you are already motivated and determined to give both the groups in June 2021 attempt, then here is the study plan for CMA Inter June 2021. Both group students, they can approach this plan for their preparation. So from October, we are assuming that we will start studying from October 2020. So from October 2020 to May 2021, we have 8 months in our hand. And in 8 months, we will be completing our 8 subjects. So how and what will be our approach? Let us see. So friends, as I already say that there is no such so-called theory subject in the course. It is either practical or numerical. So the practical subjects are as follows: law, direct taxation, OMSM, IDT and audit. These are not theoretical, these are practical. That is to be studied from practical approach. And the numerical subjects are, of course, financial accounting, cost and FM and company accounts. So these are numerical subjects and these are practical subjects. What we have to do? We have to study 2 subjects per day, that is 1 practical and 1 numerical, in order to create a balance in our studies and also in order to avoid monotonous in our study. So the approach will be that the first 3 months we will be focusing on completing the first group, either by tuition or if you are doing self-study, then it is the best. So in October, November and December, we will be completing our first group by self-study or by tuition. If you are taking tuition, then try to complete at least once by self-study. So minimum 8 hours of study is required. Yes, you should have the potential to give 8 hours minimum per day and maximum till your potential. Okay, and then in January, February and March we will be completing our second group. That is, of course, if you are taking tuition, then apart from tuition you have to do your self-study. So likewise, first 3 months we will be completing our first group, and the next 3 months, that is January, February and March, we will be completing our second group. Okay. Now while completing the study of both the groups, our main focus should be on the study material. So we have to complete study material and also we have to take the overview of the past papers, that is what kind of questions is asked and in what pattern, and the suggested answers of the institute given in the past papers. So you can download it from the icmi.in, that is the website of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So you can download it from there and you can have the overview of it. Now here we were studying 8 hours minimum, and in the last 2 months before the exam, that is in April and May, we will be increasing our number of hours from 8 to 10 hours of study. Okay, and in that we will be mainly solving our MTPs, that is mock test paper and past year questions. So the main focus here will be to solve as much as question papers as we can, and we will also go through objectives, that is MCQs objectives on the institute website icmi.in. Okay, so these are the must. Without doing MTP, there is no short clearing the exam, as you will be in dilemma. So guys, last but not the least, multiple times revision is the only key to clear any exam. Okay, so you have to select one subject, and that one subject you have to select one teacher of that subject. So one subject, one teacher and multiple times revision is the only key to clear this exam. So yeah, start your preparation and please don't waste your time, as it is crucial in your preparation. It will hold a major role in your success of the exam that you are attempting. So guys, if you have already planned to give both the groups, then don't stop, don't come back. Okay, so be determined with your decision, as it is your best decision, I must say. So this is it, and thank you so much for watching, and please do share it with all the students who are going to attempt both the groups or who are planning to attempt both the groups in June 2021 itself. So this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you again.